Hello, everyone. Welcome back. This is Navid Hosseini, and here is Hyperpix.net. I'm back with another casino text effect that you can use this in your next projects. You can also use this in your online games, clubs, every design that you think might fit with this look. I think it's a very perfect choice. Okay, let's look at those details. This template is also applicable to any language. So don't worry about that. For example, I have one of them in Japanese. As you can see, sharp and good looking here. Uh, there is no limit. Okay, let's see how this works. Right click on the yellow layer, choose edit content. In the new window, do the same thing again. Right click on the yellow layer and choose edit content. In a new window, write your own text. You can also change the font here. No limit about that. Alright. Poker and games. Okay, my text is okay, so I'm gonna close it and I'm gonna choose yes. So the first layer has been applied. As you can see here, do the same thing again, close the window and choose yes. Let's for the result to happen. Boom, boom. As you can see, my style has been applied to my text, which is totally realistic, and a 3D look, which is awesome and exciting. I'm gonna show you how these layers works, just one by one. Don't worry about that. Just like any other of our products, turn off extrusion layer from FX folder. We'll get back to it finally. Okay, let's start from the adjustments. It has some contrast and brightness and something like that variables. Also a vignette and an inner shadow. You can change this with the opacity. Next one is the sparkles. As you can see, these tiny little sparkles all around my text that I can move them around, I can resize them, also I can remove them. I recommend you just put them under your highlights and where the light might reflect. Okay, you take your time and do this. I'm gonna keep going with the video. You can also remove them, or you can hold Alt and drag it around to duplicate it. Next one is coins. As you can, well, it's coins actually. We got two set of coins, one on right and one on left. You can duplicate it, you can rotate it, you can also change the size of it. So totally editable. Next one is highlights. It's a little bit of highlight on the top of our text. You can also remove this or anything like this. We got a text layer where we can change it. Play now. Same thing goes with the next text. Well, next one is the main design of our text. Skip this part. Next one is play cards. Well, we got 4 cards here. We can remove them. We can deactivate them. We can move them around, resize them. We got a highlight. So next one is background. We got 3 folders here. We got particles, we got rays. As you can see, that gives you a little bit of a beautiful look here. We got a smoke. There's a little bit of smoke behind our text. We're done with this style. All we gotta do is to turn on extrusion so that the 3D kicks in. That's it. That's it. Exciting. Okay. Let's see how we can apply this on a logo. Wow, that's interesting. Okay, do the same thing, right click on the yellow layer, choose edit content, and do the same thing again. But instead of writing a text, import your own logo. I got a logo here, it's a Coca-Cola. I want to put it here in the middle of I design. I think it's good here, isn't it? Okay, let me bring these 2 layers a little bit lower. Okay, I want Coca-Cola to be yellow and the light to be silver. but it's one. All we gotta do is to split it into two. Split these two from the select tools and choose Control Shift J, and my design has been split into two. You can choose Command Shift J in the Mac. Okay, drag this style of games on Coca-Cola and drag online on light. As you can see, there it is. We can also choose double click, and you can, from the gradient layer, you can change the shadow of my text. Okay, we can do the same thing for the Coca-Cola. As you can see here, there it is. We're done. We're done. I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna save it. Yup. Like first set of the style has been applied to my text and logo. I'm gonna bring them a little bit lower. I think it's good, isn't it? Okay, I'm gonna save it. Okay, my design has been applied to my text, as you can see here. I'm gonna turn off extrusion. I don't need this one. My effect has been applied. So let's bring this a little bit higher. Let's move them around. I'm gonna resize it a little bit. Okay, I think it's good here. Next one is Sparkles folder. I'm gonna put them where they should go. I'm not gonna do all of them. I think it's good here, but you make sure that you put them all where they should go. We're done here. This style is super exciting. Turn on extrusion from the effects folder. Wow, wow, wow. It's beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to get this video, all you gotta do is go to hyperfx.net and get this and hundreds of other text styles that you can use in your next project with a premium account. Well, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.